Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to buy cryptocurrency on your Exodus wallet using an easy method. We'll walk through the straightforward process of acquiring digital assets directly within the application. You'll learn how to leverage the built-in exchange features and securely fund your wallet, making your first crypto purchase a breeze. Get ready to expand your digital portfolio with confidence and ease. First, open your Exodus wallet and navigate to the Buy Crypto section. Here, you'll find a selection of trusted third-party exchange providers. Choose the one that best suits your needs. Next, you'll connect your preferred payment method, whether it's a bank account or a debit card. Remember to check for any minimum purchase requirements, which are typically around $20. Before you finalize your purchase, carefully review all the transaction details. This includes the amount of cryptocurrency you're buying and any associated fees, which are always clearly displayed. Once you're satisfied, confirm your order. The process is usually very quick, and your newly purchased cryptocurrency will typically arrive in your Exodus wallet within just a few minutes, ready for you to manage. To keep your assets safe, always double-check recipient addresses before sending any cryptocurrency. Enabling two-factor authentication on your Exodus wallet adds an extra layer of security, protecting your funds from unauthorized access. For those who love to read, you can explore new ways to enjoy your favorite books anywhere. Be sure to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other great deals and resources to enhance your crypto journey and digital lifestyle. Stay secure and enjoy your crypto experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.